This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, China is giving the appearance of getting their house in order with fewer virus cases detected and factories slowly moving back to operation mode. China has not indicated that they will delay or reduce their planned purchases of U.S. agricultural goods, which is certainly positive. And that news allowed the corn market to close higher yesterday, even though we continue to trade in a range. The other fundamental news was not so friendly to corn, with the weekly ethanol report showing a 48,000 barrel per day decrease in production, while stocks are sitting at 24.4 million barrels, which is just shy of the 24.5 million barrel record set back in July of 2019. The crop in South America continues to enjoy favorable weather conditions, which also could put pressure on our prices. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading 2.25 cents lower. Soybean prices were supported by hopes that China will look to purchase U.S. soybeans soon. There was also some talk that South Korea may have purchased some U.S. soybean meal. This all worked together to push the spot futures market nearly 8 cents higher at the close. In the overnight trade, we're seeing that a little bit of that come undone, with the soybean futures trading down 3 cents. Wheat benefited from speculative buying yesterday, with Chicago and Kansas City posting higher closes, while Minneapolis was unchanged. In Europe, Paris milling wheat was steady to slightly higher on continued weakness in the euro and decent demand. In the overnight trade, Chicago was 2 cents lower, Kansas City is down 4 cents, and Minneapolis is trading off 2.5. Cotton futures continue to work higher, with the March futures closing up 35 points to settle at 68.58. In the overnight trade, however, spot futures are trading 52 points lower. Livestock futures had a split session. Live cattle futures advanced, with the April contract finishing the day 67.5 cents higher, while March feeder cattle were 37.5 cents higher. Lean hog futures retreated, however, with the April futures closing down 45 cents for the day. Class 3 milk futures worked their way a little bit higher, with March futures closing up 8 points to settle at 78.29. In the overnight trade, they're trading up an additional point as I record this. Finally, the cash livestock markets had a mixed session. At the close, we had choice beef boxes $1.52 lower to close at $206.31, while selects were 77 cents higher as they settled at $205.30. Pork carcass values were 31 cents higher as they closed out the day at $63.96 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.